Hi LPTs! Another day and another kwentuhan na naman tayo. So, today I would like to share another story. This is from the Philippines. Yan, and it's written by Amador Daguio. This is a board examination favorite. I'm sure yung mga nag-take na ng board exam and also yung mga nagre-review ay probably alam na yung kwento na ito, or maybe the title but not really the story. So that's why I wanted to share kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari sa kwento ng The Wedding Dance. Again, this is The Wedding Dance by Amador Daguio. So ano ba kasi nangyari dito, no? So the story began with Awiyaw. By the way, these are our characters. So, si Awiyaw, siya yung lalaki, and yung ex-wife niya ay si Lumnay, and yung bago niyang wife ay si Madulimay. Okay? Yan. So, ganito yan, no? It was the night of the wedding. Yan. So, actually, nagpa-party na yung mga tao kasi nga, kinasal na si Awiyaw and si Madulimay. Ang hirap kasi ng pangalan ng Madulimay. So, tapos, eto si Awiyaw, nagwa-wonder siya kasi hindi niya nakita doon sa wedding dance yung ex-wife niya. So, pinuntahan niya doon sa dati nilang bahay. Yan. And then, nung pagpunta niya doon, tinawag niya, but then, walang nag-respond. But actually, Lumnay was there. Ayaw niya lang talaga mag-respond because of course, na-hurt siya. And, yun nga, hinanap niya, and nung nakita niya na, nagkaroon ng confrontation. Sabi niya dun kay Lumnay, this has to be done. Alam mo naman na wala akong magagawa. Why don't you just go to the wedding dance? Sumayaw ka, act like nothing happened. Ganun yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya pa, hindi natin alam, baka kapag sumayaw ka doon, alam naman nating talented ka sa pagsasayaw, baka may lalaking may in love sa'yo and pakasalan ka. Ganun yung sinabi niya. And Lumnay really loved him. Sabi ni Lumnay, I don't want any other man. Gusto ko ikaw lang, Char. So yeah, yun, totoo yun. Yun yung sabi ni Lumnay. And sabi naman ni Awiyaw, alam mo naman na ayaw ko rin ng iba, Char. But I have no choice. 7 harvest na yung dumaan. Wala pa tayong anak. The men were talking behind my back. Chinichismis na nila ako na hindi pa rin ako mag-anak. Ilang taon na tayong magkasama. Ganun yung sabi niya. I need to have children. Kaya ako to ginagawa. Ganun yung sabi ni Awiyaw. Sabi naman ni Lumnay, gusto ko rin namang mag-anak. Ilang manok na ba yung chinugi ko? Ilang baboy na ba yung kinatay ko para ialay ka Kabunyan? Kabunyan is their god. Para lang magkaroon tayo ng anak. Ano niya, sabi niya. Bakit pa kasi yung law natin is demanding us to have a child? Hindi naman tama to. Ganun yung sabi ni Lumnay. Yan. And, Awiyaw was not able to respond. Sabi ni Lumnay, why don't we run away? Yan. Magpakalayo-layo tayo. Mahal naman natin yung isa't isa, diba? So, magpakalayo-layo tayo. Let's live. Yan. Let's live together na hindi binded dun sa culture nila. And, Awiyaw said, no, if we do that, baka daw ma-punish sila ni Kabunyan, their god. And so, yun na nga, wala nang nagawa si Lumnay. And there's this beads siya, and binigay siya ni Awiyaw kay Lumnay before. And sabi ni Lumnay, please let me keep the beads. Ganun yung sabi niya. Maybe because for her, it's very important. And actually, yung beads na yon, sobra palang mahal nun. It's said to worth 20 fields. Yan. And Awiyaw said, yes, you can keep it. And bago pa nila matapos yung pag-uusap nila ay may mga lalaki ng nagtatawag kay Awiyaw outside their house kasi nga hinahanap na siya doon sa wedding dance, doon sa party. And yun na nga, umalis si Awiyaw and joined the wedding dance. And Lumnay was left na durog. Nasasaktan siya, girl. Sino naman hindi masasaktan dyan, no? So, habang nakaupo siya, she thought na I have to go and confront yung mga elders ng tribe namin na hindi tama itong pinagagawa nila. Hindi tama itong pinagagawa nila sa amin. Hindi tamang paghiwalayan nila kami ni Awiyaw just because we cannot have children. Ganon. And yes, she gathered all of her courage and nagpunta siya sa wedding dance. But then, nung malapit na siya, nakita niya na yung mga bonfire, yung narinig niya yung tunog ng gangsas, and suddenly, parang nawala yung strength and courage niya kanina. So, hindi siya tumuloy and she ran away, tumalikod siya. And yun na siya. She climbed the mountain and dun siya parang nag-look back how they first met ni Awiyaw. Yun lang, teachers. And that's how it ended. So, that's why, no? So, yun na yun. So, nakakasad yung story. And yeah, let me hear your thoughts about it. So, that's it.